Hello, beautiful souls! Welcome to Daydream Diaries, and also welcome to a realm where style meets warmth and modesty dances with fashion. I'm thrilled to have you join us today for an inspiring journey through the art of winter fashion with HIJAB. Whether you're a fashion enthusiast or just here to explore new ideas, you're in for a treat. So grab a cozy blanket, settle in, and let's embark on this delightful adventure together. Welcome to a world where winter elegance unfolds and your unique style takes center stage. Without further ado, let the fashion exploration begin. Embrace the enchantment of winter with our curated collection of modest outfit ideas, where elegance meets coziness. Join us on this journey through the frost-hit landscapes as we weave together the perfect blend of style and warmth. Let the magic of fashion unfold, unveiling the beauty of modest winter outfits with HIJAB. Welcome to a world where every ensemble tells a story, and every HIJAB is a brushstroke of grace. This is your guide to winter elegance, your passport to a season of chic modesty. Let the fashion adventure begin. Today, we'll explore chic outfit ideas perfect for the colder months, paired with HIJAB to keep you both warm and fashionable. First up, a classic oversized sweater paired with tailored trousers and ankle boots. Add a patterned HIJAB for a touch of flair, keeping you cozy and on trend. Next, consider a long woolen coat with a maxi skirt and knee-high boots. Opt for neutral tones and layer with a matching HIJAB to create an elegant and winter-ready ensemble. For a casual yet stylish look, try a turtleneck sweater dress paired with leggings and ankle boots. Add a contrasting HIJAB for a pop of color that brightens up the winter days. Don't forget the power of layering. Combine a chunky knit cardigan with a meaty skirt and knee-high socks. Finish the look with a coordinating HIJAB, creating a warm and effortlessly stylish outfit. Remember, modesty doesn't mean sacrificing fashion. Embrace the winter season with these outfit ideas that showcase your style while keeping you warm and comfortable. Stay fabulous, stay warm. From oversized sweaters to tailored coats, each outfit tells a tale of modesty meeting contemporary trends. Discover the art of staying fashion-forward while embracing the winter chill, where every HIJAB is a statement and every piece is chosen with care. Let this video be your guide to a world where modest winter outfits become a canvas for self-expression. Prepare to be inspired as we dive into the enchanting realm of winter fashion with grace and sophistication. Thank you for joining us in this celebration of modest fashion. Until next time, stay warm, stay stylish, and embrace the beauty of your unique fashion journey. If you enjoyed our content, give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment sharing your thoughts. Hit that share button to spread the inspiration. And don't forget to subscribe. For more fabulous fashion insights, your support means the world to us.